Welcome to our lead management system tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of uploading leads efficiently using an Excel template. Let's get started. Start by accessing your lead management system and heading to the Upload Leads section. Here, you'll find the option to download the Excel template for adding lead details. Click on the Download Template button to get a structured Excel file. This file includes predefined columns for lead details, ensuring that all necessary information is entered correctly. Now, open the template and fill in the details such as name, contact number, email, company name, and any other relevant information. Ensure that all fields are correctly filled to avoid errors during upload. Once the details are entered, save the file and return to the lead management system. Click on the Upload button, select your completed file, and confirm the upload. After a successful upload, you can view the newly added leads in the Lead Master Grid. Here, you can manage, edit, and engage with your leads effectively. That's it. You've successfully uploaded leads into the system. This feature helps streamline your workflow, making lead management hassle-free. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.